So they might be embarrassing, but text messages among the members of the so-called Gang of Five have to be released. In fact, that was the judge's ruling today.
That's right. The five are accused of violating a law put in place to keep government accountable. Well, the Now's Tom McKee is here with the judge's ruling and reaction to it. Tom?
No, Craig, the five council members are Tamaya Denard, Greg Landsman, Chris Seelbach, P.G. Sittenfeld, and Wendell Young, all of them Democrats. They're accused of violating the open meeting laws with their electronic communications. 79 pages of text have been released so far, but Judge Robert Ruhlman Monday ordered a lot more to be made public. The case was in court due to attorney Brian Shrive's insistence that all January through April texts be made available. Attorneys for the five council members say that's out of line.
Democracies die behind closed doors, and that when government begins closing doors, it selectively controls information rightfully belonging to the people. And selective information is misinformation.
Because what they're asking for is far too broad. Part of the court's job, of course, is to prevent fishing expeditions.
He's not entitled to engage in an open meetings audit or a fishing expedition about Open Meetings Act violations.
Judge Robert Ruhlman sided with Shrive.
When you get elected to an office, I think some politicians think that that they work for themselves. They work for the people who elected them.
Xavier political scientist Mac Mariana says elected officials know Ohio meeting laws and their text should prove interesting to the public.
Some of it is this outrage that they would be having these conversations, but part of it is this human interest in, I want to kind of know what our legislators are like behind the scenes and how do they comport themselves, and does that fit with the image that they project.
Now, there's no timetable for release of the pages. Again, 79 pages out so far, but a whole lot more to come. They talk about the mayor, the FC Cincinnati Stadium, and who knows what. We'll be following it, Craig.
Tom McKee reporting in the newsroom for us. Thank you, Tom.